And finally, to our special segment, Resurgent Africa. Amid the coups and the crises, there are many positive stories from Africa that often get overlooked, but not on this show. In a game-changing move, Kenya's maternal health care is getting a much-needed boost, thanks to a portable ultrasound introduced by the United Nations Women's Health Agency. Now, these devices, now reaching women in some of Kenya's most remote areas, are helping detect pregnancy complications early, slashing the risks of maternal and infant deaths. The program also teaches midwives to operate the life-saving tech. This initiative is not just offering better health outcomes, it is also empowering women to take control of their pregnancies. Here are all the details.
In Kenya, 355 women die from pregnancy-related causes for every 100,000 live births. This is according to the UN's Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency. This staggering statistic translates to 5,000 women and girls losing their lives each year due to complications from pregnancy and childbirth. A simple ultrasound could prevent many of these deaths, yet this life-saving service is out of reach for many. Historically, women in Kenya have struggled to access essential maternal health care services like ultrasounds. But that's changing, thanks to a new portable ultrasound service that's transforming maternal care in the country. Launched by the United Nations Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency, these portable devices allow healthcare workers to detect pregnancy complications much earlier, proving to be a game changer for maternal health.
I was expecting twins during my third pregnancy. However, when I delivered at home, only one of the babies survived. Tragically, the other passed away. Looking back, I realized that if I had gone for an ultrasound scan, I could have possibly saved that baby's life.
These ultrasounds are particularly vital in regions where access to healthcare is scarce and cultural beliefs discourage prenatal hospital visits. Since the program's launch in 2020, it has screened more than 2,500 women across counties like Kajiado, Migori, Homa Bay and Kisii. The devices, distributed free of charge, help reduce maternal and infant mortality rates by allowing midwives to detect issues such as breech positions, calculating the due date, or other complications well in advance.
Since I started going for scans, I am now happy to know that my unborn twins are healthy and doing well. I've even begun preparing for their arrival by shopping for them. Being more informed about their due date has given me peace of mind, and I feel much more prepared for their birth.
The portable ultrasound service doesn't stop at just providing scans. It also trains midwives to administer these tests. By arming medical workers with both the technology and the know-how, the program ensures that more women receive life-saving interventions. This includes information about the baby's position, the placenta, and other factors that help pregnant women and their healthcare providers decide on the best delivery period, whether natural or cesarean. The impact has been remarkable. These routine ultrasounds have instilled newfound confidence in pregnant women, especially those living in remote areas far from medical facilities. By better tracking their pregnancies, these women feel more prepared for childbirth. Volunteers also play a key role in educating women about the importance of these scans and how early planning can avert complications. The program, when fully staffed, can conduct up to 3 scans a day, expanding its reach and saving more lives.
There are those who believe they are not supposed to know anything until they wait to the last day when the baby comes. And because of that, you get many mothers getting issues because the scan was very important to know if there was any problem earlier so that it can be solved. But because of the cultural beliefs, it hinders.
The introduction of portable ultrasound devices in Kenya is more than just a technological innovation. It's a lifeline for thousands of women and their babies. By detecting complications early and empowering midwives with critical skills, this service is reshaping maternal health care in the country, offering hope for safer pregnancies and healthier births.
Firstpost decodes the U.S. election, explains how America chooses its president. Your primer on the race to the White House. Everything you need to know about how America votes and its global implications. U.S. Election Explained. Every Monday and Thursday only on Firstpost.